Good evening once again, Moonscouts. So, this one, just from the title alone, has me super intrigued about how this is gonna go. Two very contradictory kind of things going on here. Animal Crossing, which is a super adorable, wholesome game, one of my personal favorites. That is a horror short film. And I was reading this was made just by 3 people with I think it was called a Black Magic pocket camera is what it said. So it sounds like just one camera, 3 people. And they made this last year during quarantine. So it's always really cool to see the kind of creative things that people made last year, you know, when everyone's stuck at home. So yeah, without further ado, let's check this out. Ooh, she's got some good incense going on there. Gotta have that in your room. Yeah. See, it starts off like, oh, so relaxing, just chilling in bed with your Animal Crossing. Alright, gonna change some clothes. Oh. Okay, that made me nervous for a second because I think that's her incense, because I saw some smoke, and I was like, oh my gosh. Now that's an interesting concept. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is already very high production looking. Oh my gosh. Wow. I really like this concept. I don't think I've seen something like this before. The idea of her controlling herself in real life with a video game, and Animal Crossing fits that perfectly. Plus her room is actually like... Her room in the game looks like... and is set up like her room in real life. That is not at all the case for me. I don't think I actually have an actual bedroom in my Animal Crossing house. Like, they're all just different themed. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, something's not right. Something's not right. Oh, I'm getting cold chills. Oh, no, no, no. I don't know. The fact that she was able to already to control stuff, she's just sitting here like, ah, this is cute and fun, and she's not like questioning it. Oh god. Ugh, I hate that doorway is pitch black. Oh my gosh. Let's turn all the lights on. Oh no. No, 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 no. Yeah, because laying down's just gonna make everything better. That is some loud squeaking going on. Girl, turn on more than just your lamp. Like, ugh. And of course, her actual doorway is in the line of sight of the game. Ugh. Zozo. Psh, of course the demon's name is Zozo. No? Tell it no? Yeah, good. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Oh god, I really don't know what I would do in that situation. I mean... Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I'd probably try running out of the room and getting out of that house is what your goal should be. What's it saying? Oh god. Oh, that is terrible. Ugh. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh god, no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. I am paralyzed. Ugh. I don't know what to do with my hands. Oh gosh. Get out of the house, man. Just run. See, I don't know if that's a good or a bad sign. Oh, I guess it's a good sign. Okay. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, no. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Oh, okay. The game's like falling out. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Stop. Okay. Wow. That was really good. That was really good for just being like a fun project with like a very small made production. I don't know. It was really professional looking. Man, that was such a creative idea, and what makes it especially worse is, you know, the idea of these sort of horror movies where it's something happening in your own home and it's happening during quarantine like last year. That just really seriously adds to the horror element. So great job. Definitely make sure you go check out the creators. I'll have a link to the original video in the description below, so definitely check them out. Give them some love. And of course, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it, and follow the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you next time, Moonscouts.